Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So this stock is about to skyrocket, and it could potentially make people millionaires, especially if you have a long-term outlook on it. But I know you guys don't want to wait for that. You guys ain't concerned with nothing that's about to happen in the next couple of years. You want to know what's about to happen now. Where the money about to be moved at now. So let's go ahead and get right into it. That's why this is the best of both worlds. It's a long-term outlook that can make crazy, crazy thousands of percentage of return, in my opinion, because like I say, let's go ahead and spill the beans. EV and marijuana is going to be the future of our future, meaning it's probably, going to be better things that come about. But what I mean exactly by that is I'm all concerned with market cap. A lot of these companies have hundreds of billions, if not trillion dollars worth of market cap, being for the fact that it could still grow, but with those companies being able to 10x, 20x, 30x, 50x, or 100x, like they already have done, like Amazon, Apple. If you got in these companies 20 decades ago, you would have, 36 times, 50 times your money. So that being said, guys, I'm looking for stocks and opportunity and securities and assets that could give me that type of return. Even though I'm still going to hedge my wealth against inflation and hedge it against, higher risk investments, being for the fact that if you invest in stocks to give you those type of returns, the risk is going to be more higher. So that's why it's also good to invest in stocks that could just give you a double up or maybe a triple up in the next few years, because it's conservative, it's safe, and it's almost guaranteed that it's going to happen when you're putting that money in stocks that's already proven itself over the past decades. But you want to build that wealth that is at a astronomical pace. You got to take that chance and put it in something that could give you those type of returns. But anyways, let's go ahead and look at it, guys. It is Tilray, ticker symbol TLRY. Tilray Brands. I've been talking about this stock for a while. I told you guys, Tilray has, not too much, nowhere else to go. Even if it wanted to go to $1, $2 cents, it didn't have too much more room to go down. So as we know, a lot of people already making bank with Tilray. I alerted Tilray in the VIP. As you can see, guys, we're already up on our call option, $285, over 65% in one day, guys. So we also own shares outright at Tilray. Got about $7,000 worth of Tilray. I want to make that about 10 and procrastinating and going ahead and boosting that up to about 15, 16,000. But I might just, be comfortable with that 10,000 investing in Tilray at these levels, because I believe that could turn to 30, 40, $50,000 pretty quick, guys. And not saying this, don't take what I'm saying and run with it and try to do the same thing. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm sharing it with you. So as we know, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just letting you guys know what I'm doing. So also be aware of the news. We know catalysts can also give stocks a little bit more motion. And what we got going on in the marijuana sector is, we know it's bills that's trying to get cannabis legalized around the world. There's a lot of things that's going on in the cannabis industry right now. You got over there in Toronto and Canada, they now is delivering weed to homes with Uber Eats. So that's the next level, guys. You actually can get weed delivered to your house. I'm pretty sure it's going to trickle down over here into the United States, and it's going to become more dominant and take over, guys. It's a whole lot of money to be made with this industry. Also, we know that the cannabis industry also did a deal. One of the largest cannabis industries out in Florida did a deal with Circle K, about 10 locations, to where they can sell cannabis through the stores in 2023, guys. So that's another big one. So as we know right here today, we got the Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer said Congress is very close to passing the marijuana banking and expungements bill. So we know the Congress is getting very close to getting a lot of people that was incarcerated for marijuana, that got locked up for marijuana charges. They're trying to expunge their records and let them all out. And basically why they're trying to do that in a nutshell is because they can't make all these billions of dollars and trillions of dollars in the future off marijuana when they got people locked up for doing the same thing that now they about to turn around and do. So it looks bad. It looks bad because they knew all along weed was never really a drug. They just try to do that to keep people from getting rich off of it. Plain and simple. So you already know what to do, man. Add you over on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. And I might have to make a new Instagram trying to mess me up. I don't know what they got going on. They're trying to flag my page. I don't know if it's something I posted or what. But anyways, I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We go.